Well, when you look at what man is about, what is man about? Man is really he's a subset of the feminine. He's the subset of the woman. So therefore, he's not interested or even capable of indulging in all the things that women tend to indulge in, and all the things that women tend to think about, and all the things that women tend to consider. The man is more basic, like just food, water, sex, comfort, shelter, like taking care of the basics. When you look at the influence of men in the world, it's like basically it's to dominate nature, to do the hunting, to build the housing, those types of things. So you can see why man was created. Man was created because the women at that time, the human species at that time, needed to subdue nature. I had talked about this a bit when I did the podcast before it got deleted. But there was the funniest, this comedian was telling a story about Eve and how she was saying like the nature of women has been the same since day one. And she was saying how God said, hey, do not eat from the tree of knowledge or the fruit or the apple or whatever the fuck. And Adam said, okay, got you, and told Eve, don't eat from this tree, don't eat the fruits and all that kind of stuff. You can eat everything else. You have the whole entire rest of the garden to eat, but don't eat anything else. And the lady was doing, she's like a comedian. She was like, yeah, and then Eve said, oh, okay. And then the snake came to Eve, of course, and said, hey, why can't you eat the apple? And Eve started thinking, yeah, why can't I eat it? She said, I think Adam might be wanting to eat this apple with another woman so that him and her can eat the apple. Like what? He might be trying to hide something. What's Adam trying to hide by not letting me eat the apple? And so she gave the apple to Adam and he ate the apple. And I think her point was like, it's just, there's an element to women that's like, it considers things that aren't really important when it comes to the survival of the species. It's not that it's not important in general, but it's not important for the basics. Where the man's saying, look, we have the garden, all the food, all the protection, all the security, all the comfort, all the shelter, everything that we possibly can need is here. It's established. And the feminine's like, I don't really buy that. There's got to be a trick. Where's the other bitch at? Where are you hiding her? Am I not beautiful enough to eat the apple? Like all these extra things, all these extra considerations. These are things that we see in play today.